Hello everyone, my name is Salah and I am working at SNT University of Luxembourg. With my supervisors Maxime, Mike and Yves, we have been studying how to generate a lot of diverse architectures. Deep learning testing have become more and more popular and requires tools to run large-scale experiments. Our tool relies on a new representation of neural networks made of cells. Each cell component handles a specific category of operations like convolution and pooling. Cells are organized within blocks that allow the network to branch, parallelize, and merge. FeatureNET parses the blocks and cells into a full working neural network using TensorFlow and Keras. It also fixes its inconsistencies. It selects architecture that maximize the diversity of their components in order to cover a wide spectrum of behaviors. The models are then trained and tested. The most performant models are then used to run your custom experiments. It can be computation of neural coverage, generalization, studying the explainability or the robustness of the model. We provide our tool in different flavors. First, using a user interface, where you can define different parameters of sampling and the dataset. The tool will build the feature model, parse it, study the configurations, and then it will run the training and the evaluation. Once the tasks are completed, you can see the results of the generated model, first with the summary, and more specifically, you can browse all the models and architecture that have been generated and the performance metrics that have been computed. In addition, you can also either see the graph of the model or download the architectures immediately to use them for your custom experiments. Finally, the dashboard provides you an overview of all the architecture on different metrics that have been computed. Our tool can also be used within your pipeline using a command line interface where you can provide the parameters of the tool and then run all your experiments. Finally, we also provide an API that can be integrated so you can extend the tool with your own experiment and code. Here, for instance, we are running an experiment to compute the weights and the correlation between the layers. As you can see, you can just plug in your hooks or your experiment and then run the TensorFlow code